behalf of my colleague in the Committee of Administration of ISCPC, I would like to convey my sincere thanks to overseas buyers who, in spite of restrictions imposed in India and in their representative countries due to pandemic of COVID and Omicron, have taken the participants from the state of Haryana have showcased their merchandise to the visiting overseas buyers. The visit of these buyers clearly indicate that the fair has assumed importance and established as a major sourcing fair of silk, blend and other allied products in India. The participants have supported the ISCBC in the initiative of organizing fair, and we are thankful to all of them and do hope that their venture will yield results. The fair at new venue has revised appreciation from the buyer, participants, organizer, as well as from the government circle in the Ministry of Textile and DOC. The fair was inaugurated on 18 December 2021 by Sri Vijay Kumar Singh, Additional Secretary in the Ministry of Textile. More than 75 buyers have attended the fair and around 15 buying agents, buying houses, representatives, those buyers from abroad who could not visit due to fear of Omicron. A business worth USD 75,000 was transacted on the spot where was orders of around 1 million USD is in pipeline. The participating members received good response and inquiries from the visiting buyers. The council has tentatively decided to organize a similar fair 11th in the series of 28 March to 13 March 2021. I do hope that the next fair will surpass the expected number of participants and buyers as well as likely business. I wish all the great success and wishing them in advance a very happy New Year 2022. Jai Hind.
Hello friends, I'm happy to inform you we have a 10th India International Silk Fair, which is the only mega fair, mega event only of silk products in India. This is under the support of Ministry of Textiles and Ministry of Commerce. Under the guidance of our Prime Minister Modi ji, we are doing our best to make our fair world-class event, and our fair is today is as per same level as per European or American fairs. Our buyers are very happy. They got a very good response from the stands, and our participants, even they are also very happy. And for next fair, which is scheduled to be held in March, we are getting very good feedback from our customers and participants both. Now, we are also taking participants from the remote areas like J&K, Northeast, as per our PM Modi's guidance. And we are glad this time we got a very active participation from J&K. And hopefully we will have very active participation now in the March fair from Northeast also. Friends, I would like to say that we got about 90 foreign customers even during our Omicron and COVID problems. And almost 50 to 60 customers have cancelled their trip because of this COVID. But hopefully during the march, we think this problem should be solved, and we will get a very good response during our next fair to be held in March. So I wish you all in the next fair, buyers and my participant fellow members, to have a great success in the next upcoming fair in March. Jai Hind.
India International Silk Fair, which is the main fair for showcasing the Indian silk products, blended and other items, mainly silk scarves, garments, fabrics, carpets, home and all other items which are produced in India. Last fair we organized in the month of July 2019, but because of the COVID, we did not get opportunity to do this fair for almost 2.5 months. Thanks to the effort from the Ministry of Commerce and Ministry of Textile, Government of India, we are able to organize this fair again. We have buyers all around the world here. In fact, we had received around 200 confirmation of the buyers in the very beginning, but because of the Omicron and other fair and the other things, we had cancellation, and at the end of the day, we had around 90 buyers who had come from the overseas to participate. Besides, we have 150 buying houses who has took part in this fair, and approx 76 stalls of the prominent exporters all around India had participated in this fair. And also this time we had received a big participation from the J&K, about 15 companies from the J&K and around 6-7 companies from the Northeast also took part. And this way we had promoted and tried our level best to encourage the exporter and the firms from the very, very rural areas of India, and they had got the opportunity to showcase their product in this fair where they had interacted with the international buyers directly. India is celebrating this year the Azadi Ka Mahotsav, and this is the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister to celebrate any sort of festival along with the real works. So along with the Azadi Ka Mahotsav, we are organizing this fair, and with the combination of these two things, we hope our country, the India, will generate lots of business and lots of export opportunities, and our council is dedicated to give such platform to our members all the time throughout the year. Jai Hind, and all the best to everybody.